Hi everybody and welcome to The Speaking Bear. I am The Speaking Bear and today's phrase is bear with me. The definition of bear with me is to ask someone to be patient. So it's a polite way to tell someone to wait, right? We don't want to come off rude, so we use the term bear with me. Let's go through some examples. Example number 1, it says, I'm looking for your file, bear with me for a moment. So maybe you went to a job interview and they're looking for your resume or your cover letter. So again, a way to ask someone to be patient or to wait is to bear with me. So I'm looking for your file, bear with me for a moment, right? Again, they're asking you to be patient. So the next example says, the doctor will see you soon, just bear with me, please. So maybe you went to the doctor's appointment and they're a little bit delayed. You've been there about for 20-30 minutes. You ask the nurse or the front desk when the doctor will see you next. This will most likely be a response. So again, they don't want to come off as rude. So the polite way to ask someone to please be patient or wait is, the doctor will see you soon, just bear with me, please. So again, bear with me is a way to ask someone to be patient or to wait. The last example says, bear with me, I'm sending the email now. So let's say you're in a meeting and you need to send an email, very important email. Maybe you forgot to send the email before and they're asking for it now. So, you kind of feel rushed, but again, you want to tell the other person to kind of wait politely. So bear with me, I'm sending the email now. So today's phrase was bear with me. It is a way for you to ask someone to be patient or to wait politely. Try to put this into your vocabulary, into your sentences, and see how it works out. If you ever have a phrase that you want to learn about, you could comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.